Right, Ads, what's the progress so far?
Well, since the last vlog, we got all the front back on now, put in all the pipe works, all gone back together, clipped everything back, searched for a clip for 2 hours. So yeah, I'm going to feel like the gearbox oil in a minute. I need to get a spanner, but I've just lied down here and I can't get up.
Many drinks last night, Ad?
Oh, I had a few Coronas last night.
This is Kelvin, everybody. You got to say, hello.
Hello.
Well, that's nice.
Oh yeah, that's
Oh yeah, that's nice. Right?
Yeah, I was just protecting my face because I knew that might hit me on the head. Oh, I got it though. Oh yeah, right.
Oh yeah.
So we got to fill the gearbox up here, mate, but we won't do it yet because we've got to put the drive shafts in. But I'm happy that's loose.
That's nice.
So we'll, I'll put that there. Can live there. I'm gonna get myself some new knuckles because I just fripped them. Yeah, we'll get the drive shafts. So if you grab A,
Yeah.
and we'll slot them in place there.
These were an absolute nightmare to get out. I did buy new ones, but as Ad's pointed out, if we put them on, then we'll have to get the wheel line done again. I don't really want to do that.
Oh, that was
I've got new of these.
You got new ones of these, is it?
Yeah.
I thought you got new.
Nah, sorry mate, I've got these.
Oh right. Oh no, that wouldn't affect the.
Well, I've got new ones if you want them.
No, because that means we have to strip these down.
Yeah.
And there's nothing wrong with them.
Nah, I said to you, don't worry about it. They're only 25 quid. They're only 25 quid of my kids' hard-earned inheritance.
You should
Waste the money again.
yeah, ask my permission.
Oh, what are you looking at my back?
It's my bloody dog's bit. So I'll see where that is. I don't think it's quite in there. Try not to get too much ass crack in this.
Yeah, we had a lot of crack in the first one and we got some negative feedback. Got thumbs down. Is he in?
Nice. Funny angle.
Yeah.
Might need tapping with a persuasion stick a little bit. Might be these.
I'll say we got it now.
I'll tell you when they're mixed.
Yeah.
Just gonna try and keep this away from that.
Yeah.
One. That's it. He's in. Right. Get the other one.
Did you get that on video? I did a thing.
I got that.
Right. I better keep the old persuasion stick in my hand then.
Better way.
Better add you.
And that boot's a bit funky as well, isn't it?
That one. What do you want me to clean it or?
No, it's just, I mean, like, the way it's ripping up, that's better. Right, then.
Where do you want it through there?
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You ready?
Mm-hmm. Alright, he's in.
Simple as that.
So we'll get a screwdriver in there and we'll clean that up. And then put a bit of fresh grease on there. Right, the old man bought me some lube, didn't he?
Some lube, yeah.
I was getting a bit worried at first. I got you some lube, boy.
I got you some lube.
I know we're in Devon in a shed in the middle of nowhere. I've had these crowbars for years. It's weird because this is on camera, I can't say it. There he is. What's the nuts for that then? Let me go again. Because I usually put them on the ends like that.
They're not in the wheel arches upstairs, are they?
I don't know. Go and have a look, my little. Hang on, was that it? That's it.
Yeah.
He's in
To
there.
be fair, I was going to come back with the thrush bearing.
Now we've got this in. See if you can make a device up to go on that bit of pipe there, so we can.
What, with a funnel?
Yeah, funnelish kind of thing.
Where was the funnel? There was a funnel here, wasn't there?
Tell you what, your empty Coke bottle, mate. You got a drill here, haven't you?
Yeah.
Drill a hole in that lid you got there. Obviously, it's about the same size as that pipe, a little bit smaller, so we've got to cram them in there. And that should do it, mate. Like, comment, and subscribe. Don't do that, baboonies. Here it is. Hello, mate.
Hello! Tools!
What are you doing, Ash?
I'm making. There we go.
MacGyver funnel of justice. There you go.
How tight do you want it?
Well, I want it really tight, really.
Where's the other Coke bottle gone?
Oh, I don't think I've finished it yet.
Finish it.
Take two. Ash, what are you doing?
I'm
That is some sharp bit you got there, mate. You're literally flying through that plastic. Okay, Bob, take him out. Just take it out.
a little bit more. Just a smidge.
I think I should put music on this next video.
I'll ream him out. There you go.
Beautiful.
Yeah!
This is what Ash made earlier.
A little funnel to save you getting oily.
I went a bit overboard with the pouring.
Yeah, get straight down into the gearbox and we fill them up. That's all the fluid used anyway. There you go.
There
That
he
can
is.
be your beer bomb.
The funnel's justice.
I don't think we'll change the engine oil until we've got it all completely nice and warm, and we'll change it then. Or should we? I've put the new filter on, so yeah, I'll probably drain it first. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
As well, there was any in it.
Is there not? There might not be. Look. We are on a hill as well. I'll take the drain plug out in a minute. See if anything comes out. Could well be empty, mate. They might have done that for when they shipped it.
Yeah. Have we got any actual oil?
Hope you have, mate.
Well, I was going to say I'm going to get some.
You've got engine oil for this.
Yeah, but I haven't got any here.
It should be here.
What's this? That's brake and clutch one, is it?
Yeah, probably best not put that in there.
Yeah, exactly. What's that? Hang on. Mo Valley oil. Chainsaw.
I thought that you got it when you got everything else.
Yeah, I do as well.
Yeah.
We're alone on the floor here.
Look, the stuff that you spilt last week.
Yeah.
Your one job. Here we go. One happy gearbox, mate. Do you know why they put bolt oil there and there?
Is that to drain it off or something?
If they get seized on there, we put a bolt in either side.
Ah,
Pull them off.
there you go.
Learn something every day,
Yeah,
kids.
you do.
You got a knife? We're going to use that Milwaukee to all yours again.
Yeah. If Milwaukee are watching, sponsorship would be ideal. I'm sure the CEO of Milwaukee is looking out for these sort of videos every day, so.
It's another insanely sharp tool you got there, mate. Do you want me to just bite through it?
I'll tell you what,
Just stop.
this is an advert for Baling Twine.
Yeah.
Baling Twine, strong as fuck.
If you want to sponsor us as Baylor Twine,
That's more likely, isn't it? Trying to hold out from a Milwaukee sponsorship deal.
Baylor Twine.
And let Baylor Twine come through and say, you fucking legend.
I've probably done thousands of these fucking things in my career.
I have got,
8.
good 8. I've got other brake pads, haven't I? Did I order other brake pads?
Oh, I don't know, did you?
I think so.
Well, let's not put them in yet.
Fucking hell.
What have you done? Oh, helmet.
Sorry. You get on video, yeah?
No, I didn't.
You do have a home to go to, you know.
I literally just touched it, so alright.
Where's me big ratchet, man? Have you seen
Uh,
I love that though, yeah. I love that extension.
Anything else? You want the weird one?
No, the big ratchet really, but...
Big ratchet?
No, ratchet. Not the spanner.
Oh, you want that one there? Turn the video off. What do you want? The long one?
The big ratchet, man, yeah.
With the one that's on top of the engine.
Probably. Is it?
That one.
Yes.
So I was looking at that one constantly. I thought Ash would get there in a minute.
We'll get there in a minute. It's packing all the tool under the sun, right?
He'll go get the frost bearer. That would be perfect timing.
Stay away from me. Just in case Simon Cowell's watching.
You want to sponsor us, Simon Cowell? Get in line with Baylor Twine. Alright. Now these two peckers right here. Ash, do you know what a hammer is?
Yeah.
Do you fancy getting one?
Yeah.
Comes up over that's all.
There you go.
Good, Bob. Where's the GT?
I'll get it. There it is. That's
I'll get it.
I'll get it.
You guys are epic.
Gonna be fun. Now I live my life on the run and on my head, one on the gun. Mama said, what happened to you, my son? Why you always on the run? Mama, take a seat, kick back while I pause. Baba, where you been? God above knows of all our sins. Now I live my life on the run and on the cliff, one on the gun.
Well, right, I've just gone. Let's get our cocks out. Start doing this channel.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
I'm sorry for what that man has done.
I'm gonna go Bjork in a minute. Get a camera on my face!
But yeah, we're getting there. We can't do nothing here because we need a wheel bearing in this one. I notice it's got a bit of play in it, so we'll leave that. But yeah.
Kel's a great torch man as well.
Yeah, Kel is Torchman Kel.
This is it. God above knows what you did. Lord, forgive me of all the sin I must commit.